Hello, you guys, and today we're playing Battleglide with... Oh, Shadow. Yeah. So I don't know if you can hear him in the recording. I'll see that, but we're just yeah. What are you doing? Oh, should we go on the mission? Oh my god, this is like a workout, bro. You gotta like swing your arms like it's like gorilla tag, bro. No, don't go in without me, bro. Wait for me, mate. Oh, that's the wrong. Okay, so the best score I have on non-lethal is 25. Oh. Let's get in. Enter to start. Okay. Accept. Okay. What do you how do you have a frying pan? Where are you? What the? Where are you? I'm in down here. Are you very, very quiet? I want that. I need that. I need one. Oh. Got one. There's one there. Are you? I just fucking like pulled one of them. Should I go down here? Should I go in here? There's one up there. There's one up there. There's one there. Oh, you're getting one. Okay, wait. Get up there. Get up here. Get up here. I'm getting him. Wait, he's coming out. He's coming out. Go up. Go up. Shit. Fuck. There's one up there. There's one. Got one. Oh, we did it. Non-lethal. Let's go. Come here, you bitch. Come here. Okay. Let's go. Which score did we get? Why are we back at the beginning? Oh, well. Where should we go? Let's see at the map. Combat Zone A. Should we go there? Office? We were just there. Oh, that was a bank. Yeah, show me the path. Where are you? Where are you? The fuck? I don't see you. Wait, what? I'm at, wait, go to me. Go to me. Where? I don't, why do you have a police car? Good. Let's go to construction zone first because we're the closest. Lock in, guys. Lock in. I'm gonna use my hands. I don't care. I'm using my hands. I'm gonna put in my powers. Where are they? Oh, well, he... Help me. I fell off. Dude, hell. I'm almost killing the Juggernaut. Killed one with my bare fists. Jesus Christ. 100 takedowns? Oh my god, 100%. Fire. What? Am I blue? I'm blue? Supposed to be. Oh! What the fuck? Where'd she come from? No. How'd you get that? Hey, dude, you know like the Batman meme where he says like, "You want to be one of them?" You want to be one of them? Get the fuck up! No, I'm gonna kill him. Oh, I want to get him.
Officer on the ground.
Bitch. That was good, ain't it? What? I think he's dead. Uh-oh. Boink. Did I kill him? I did! I killed an NPC. Wait, give me that. I want to do it. Give me, I'll do it. I'll do it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Okay. I can kill the NPCs? Actually, no way. Wait, I'm gonna see. Follow me. Turn off slow motion. I'm right here. See on the map. Look at the map. Down. Down. On the ground at the cursor. You see me. Hey. Go here. What are you doing? How do you dash? How do you dash like that? Can you turn off slow motion, please? Can you turn off slow motion? Yeah? Yeah. He's still, I can't kill him. Give me woman. Oh. Come here. No! Fuck! I almost did it. Alright. No, I almost did it. Come here. Come here. Okay, what? No? What the fuck? Come here. Come to me. Come to me. So, wait. So you throw him? That doesn't work. Oh, wait. Put the slow motion on. Just put the slow motion on. Oh, okay. I did it. I did it. Turn off slow motion. Yeah, turn it off. Okay. I'm gonna get... Yeah. What? Look at the map. What the fuck? What? What's different? Oh. What's different? No. Where are you? I only see an airplane. Yeah. I see you on the combat zone. What? What? No. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it. Go fly. I don't see you. I can seriously not see you. I think it's just because, I think it's because of the lighting. I'm going back to the room. Go back to the room real quick. I don't, it's because of the day. I think it's the day. No, it doesn't. It does not switch to day so fast. Okay. Let me go ahead. Okay, where are you? Where are you? I don't see you. Oh, I think I left. Oh, wait, I think I left the room. Yeah, invite me again. Wait, I think I gotta go back to the room, right? I think it's supposed to, yeah. Okay. Multiplayer, okay. Join. Okay, yeah. Okay, put me back. Can you turn off slow motion real quick? Turn off slow motion. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, I'm at, wait, I'm gonna go back to spawn real quick. Okay, I'm at spawn. Can you also put it as daylight, because like it's really dark. I don't like dark. I need to make a day. I need you to make a day. Can you make a day? Shut. Rainy. 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 Make it day. Make it day. Make it day. Day. Because it's fucking dark and I can't see shit. Oh, okay. Alright, where are you? Did you just make me leave? Why did you? Oh my god. I'll invite you, alright. Should I invite you or should you invite me? Yeah, because I can't see shit. Okay, invite me again. Alright. Whoa! What the hell? I am at a rooftop hostage. I just realized! Ah! My hands, what? I'm broken. Wait, what? Wait, what? The fuck? There's something broken. Wait, I gotta join you again. Wait, I'm gonna join you again. Just wait, just wait. Okay, I'm back. Okay, now it works. Okay, where are you? I'm gonna see. I am. Okay, go to where I am. I'm at doing a crime right now. Help me. How? Okay. Oh, it's a grenade! Shoot him. You? Okay, those are the police officers, so don't shoot them. Okay, he's good. Woman, stop running! Oh, damn. Got him. What the fuck? How did you die? Fuck. What? I accidentally shot you. Got him. Oh, ow! Alright. I'm gonna use the shotgun so I can put it at level 20. So I'm gonna go to What? Oh, I won't. Why not? It's probably because it's a fucking glitch. Oh, 15, I mean. 15. And the grenade launcher? That's why I'm gonna put level 20 on this shit. Follow me to the construction zone. I don't know if they can hear your voice. I hope they can, though. They can't? Oh. Oh. Why is it out of ammo? It mostly just spawns with ammo. What the fuck? Not gonna lie, you only have to shoot the Juggernaut like 4 times and then oh shit! Fell off the edge. Next. Are you fucking serious? Ah shit! Off the edge again. How are you killing all of them so fast? Don't kill them! I wanna have fun. Juggernaut. Yes, bro. Why are you shooting him so fucking ass? What's a silencer? Wait, I'm gonna... No! Ah! I'm gonna do it. Hey! Ow! What the fuck? I just spawned in the fucking sky, dude. And random, I spawned in like 20 times. Come here, bitch. Oh, we can't hit each other, huh? Dude, what? Which guns are you using? Oh. The LPs, I have that, I think. I don't know. Which one are you using? Which gun are you using right now? Where are you? Where are you? I have something ready for you, bro. What? Why am I throwing it there? What? Okay. Why? What? Dude, what is there? We should just throw that. What the fuck is that? Hey! Hey! You know what? Come here. Come here. Ow! Stop! Stop doing that. I'm your friend, bro. No, wait. I want to see what the fuck that exploding thing does. Wait, let's see. If it actually, like, affects people. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, the barrel, yeah. Come here. Come here, bitch. Come here. Come here, bitch. Oh, shit. Where are you? Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Oh, shit. Hey, dude. What's up, bro? Oh. Dude! I found a glitch. You can fly now. Look. Bye-bye. No. No, you're gonna shoot me. I know you. I'm not stupid. Oh. Okay, give me it. Give me it. How does that work? God damn. Okay, we're done. We're not playing around anymore. We're locking in. Okay, We're gonna do a mission or the construction zone again. What are we doing? Okay, wait. I'm gonna turn my knife around real quick. Just wait. Wait, I'm gonna. Okay, wait. I'm coming. Oh, so. Oh well. I mean, we can do that. You stop putting on slow motion. I can't fucking swing like that. Thank you. Let's kill the juggernauts. Let's do this. Oh, damn. Double kill, bro. Yeah, I'm getting him. Yeah, stuck. Wait, I'm gonna see if I can almost get it. 33. Okay. I mean. Oh. What? My katana, where'd it go? Give me my katana back, where'd it go? Give me my, give me. Let's go to construction zone and see how it works. Let's see, cause I don't know if I'm good at katana. Let's see. Okay, go with me. It's not really a really good weapon, but I mean, it's good enough. Ah! Help me! Help me! Yes, I need help. Ow! I'm getting beat up. They're bullying me. They're bullying me. Finish him. Behind you! Oh, damn. Damn.
This is your last day.
Come on. Got one.
I'll make this quick.
No. Dude. No, I don't need that. No, I need that. We're going to mission. We're not at a mission right now. Where's a mission? We're close to the office one. Should we go to the office one? The office is right there. Follow me. Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah? Oh. I thought it was the office. Oh. We're supposed to go to the office. I'm going the wrong way. Can you stop turning on slow motion, please? It doesn't help me. It doesn't let me swing. It's really hard to swing when you're with fucking slow motion. Dude! That's what I mean. Yeah, it's really hard to fucking swing. But I know my ways to fucking go up and stuff. That's what, yeah, see, that's what I said. Okay, I'm at the office thing. I'm at her. I'm in the place. Okay, should we do non-lethal, or should we do gunslinger, or should we do assassin? How do you get, wait, what do you get, wait. It was like with it, no, wait, I want to get something real quick. Tomahawk, I want the tomahawk, so we're supposed to get the assassin. Let's do that. Okay, assassin game mode. Let's do that. Okay. So how do we do this? Come here. Come here. Right there, right there. Look out, look out. Please. Shit. I think they already saw me. Fuck. Come here. What is this? Okay. Got him. Okay, one's coming to me. You got, don't help, please. Stay up there, I'll do this. Okay. There's one coming to me, I think. Yes, dude. I think we got the badge. I don't know. Did I get it? I don't know. Did I get it? Yes, I got it. I got it. Yes, dude. Was that my thing, or did you do this? I mean, I don't think I would have got this tomahawk if it wasn't for you. I don't think so. Teamwork makes the dream work, bro. Bye. Ah! Why? I'm gonna level up my hunting. Yeah. Oh, I'll take it. Oh shoot! M14? Let's do this. Shit. this is one of the best weapons in the game. Here. I'm trying to level up my gun here, alright? Dude, you're taking my kills here, bro. Oh, level 10, fuck. Silencer, alright. Hey! Don't do that. Oh, wait, I forgot. Ow! That did. Okay, wait, you gotta go far away again and then go back. Go back, I think. You're running. I think you gotta go back, or is it not done yet? Oh, actually. Oh wait, is it not anymore? Like you gotta go away and then you come back and then it's like done again? Is that like updated? That it's just like the other one comes back? Is that it? Yo, Rainy. Is it that Yo. No, I'm a help. Speed running. Finish him off. Dead.
You're not good.
Oh shit. That was easier. Narnia. Oh. Should we go to back? Okay, back to the other construction grounds. I think this recording is already an hour long, I think. I don't know. Yes! What do you think? Well, that was the multiplayer update. Bye, guys.